Hey there, BC with Combustion Monkey here, and today I'm going to install the metal Mopar door sill kit. So here's the kit that I got. Pretty straightforward. Looks pretty good to me. Even comes with the alcohol pads, which is nice. If you were wondering what the exact model is, so real quick, before I get started, wanted to give you kind of a little bit of a close-up of this thing. And I'm actually really surprised at the quality of it. It's actually a lot thicker than I thought it would be. And it also comes with this nice double-sided tape already attached, and these little tabs to pull off the double-sided tape protector. So no more, trying to get your fingernail under that plastic. No possibility of you ruining it. You really just pull it right off. So pretty cool, and yeah, we're gonna get this thing installed and see how it looks. But yeah, just wanted to give you that nice close-up of what it looks like, because I didn't get that before I bought it, and I thought I did, or I wish I did, I should say. All right, let's install. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully this helped you decide whether or not it was something important enough for you to buy. I do think that, if you're on the fence, whether you're wondering if the quality of the Mopar one is worth it, I do think it is. It's only, what, 50 bucks or something, 40 bucks more than the knockoff brand that I would trust more than other knockoff brands. And at the end of the day, I mean, it's set up ready for you to install them, with those double-sided tapes ready to go, and just very nice quality, very good looking. So you know what you're getting with this. I'll put the link down below in case you want it. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.